much you missed the first serve by. If you're missing the first serve and your first serve is bouncing in no man's land there, then you may only have to change that grip a little bit toward the forward. Okay? But if you're hitting maybe to the baseline or beyond, you may have to make a significant change with that grip and the toss on the second. Okay, good. Again. Very nice, good park. Hunter, very nice, good. Right in there. Give me a third one. If the second one doesn't work, then give me a third serve. Hunter, pretty close. Pretty close. I like it. Evie, very nice. Okay. You know what I like that all of you are doing? You're not forcing the serve. It doesn't look like you're off balance. It doesn't look like you're trying to hit it hard. You're just throwing it further out in front and you're getting a nice rhythm on it. Okay. Now we switch. I want you to visualize hitting the first serve going long, the same way we're just doing it. Then make the grip change, throw it out in front, and put that first serve in with the power. Okay? Not bad, huh? Not bad. Eve, it's off to the left. You didn't have the power on. That's good, Mark. That's better. That is excellent. Very nice. Not bad. Okay, now give me the correction on that. Give me the correction on that. Evie, that's good. Good girl. Outstanding, Parker. Okay. It's all right. Come on. You know what you did that time? You went back to the old missing the lift on the legs that time. There you go. There you go. Good action. Keep that head up a little bit more. Yeah, those are good.